The Segura 1124 building, nestled in the heart of Godoy Cruz, Mendoza, is a testament to architectural innovation and urban integration. Situated on a narrow and bustling street, the project's design was shaped by the unique constraints of the 165-meter squared lot. To avoid encroaching on the municipal block's core, the architects strategically freed up space in front for vehicle storage and cleared the rear patio to comply with local regulations. The project aimed to create two functional units with a total of 156 square meters, each offering a bedroom, a study, and the flexibility to convert a space into a second bedroom. Drawing inspiration from the successful Martínez 3458 project, the architects revisited elements and their combinations, refining both material and spatial aspects. Segura 1124 echoed Martínez's approach, navigating similar party walls, municipal limitations, and compact spaces to develop comfortable apartment units. The pandemic's influence was evident in the project's emphasis on green spaces, privacy, and flexible spaces that could serve as home offices or additional bedrooms. Each unit featured its own outdoor expansion, with the lower unit boasting two private gardens and the upper unit enjoying a flower bed near the bedroom and a small patio. The building's proximity to a linear park with extensive greenery and public amenities provided residents with a high quality of life and the opportunity to enjoy outdoor views. The architects employed screening techniques to add texture and light to each space while ensuring privacy and security. Segura 1124 exemplified a harmonious relationship between living and the city, offering residents easy access to bicycle lanes and a network of urban connections. The building's integration with the urban fabric, including the incorporation of the park and its leafy trees into both houses, showcased the project's commitment to enhancing the local environment. The building's materiality reflected a minimalist and simple aesthetic. A reinforced concrete beam on the facade framed the access, supported protective covers, and supported the mezzanine of the second unit. The combination of raw exposed concrete and brick, along with a staircase and a metal walkway, created a striking contrast in texture and expressiveness. This approach, emphasizing the expression of each material, aligned with the studio's philosophy of questioning mannerisms and ensuring that each element justified its presence. Thank you for watching this video about Casa Segura 1124 by Primer Piso Arquitectos. We hope you enjoyed learning about this project and its unique design features. If you are interested in learning more about this project, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.